Have you ever held a broken piece of pottery? It can feel sad when something we love breaks. But what if this breaking was not an end? What if it was a new beginning? Kintsugi, meaning golden joinery, is the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. It teaches us to see imperfections differently. Breaks can become the most beautiful part of an object's story. Kintsugi shows that life's changes can be pieced back together beautifully. The art of kintsugi has deep roots in Japan's history of lacquerware. Lacquer, known as, has been used for centuries in Japan. When it came to repairing precious ceramics, lacquer was a natural choice. Kintsugi combined the skill of lacquer work with the desire to mend cherished items. A famous story tells us about how kintsugi might have started. In the late 15th century, Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimasa had a favorite Chinese tea bowl that broke. He sent it to China to be repaired, but it returned with ugly metal staples. This experience might have inspired Japanese craftsmen to find a more beautiful way to repair broken pottery. They imagined lines of gold that would not hide the cracks but celebrate them. Kintsugi became closely linked with the Japanese tea ceremony, where every object is chosen with great care. A beautifully repaired kintsugi bowl could become even more special in this setting. The art form grew so popular that some collectors were accused of deliberately breaking valuable pottery just to have it repaired with kintsugi. This shows how much people came to admire this art of golden joinery. Kintsugi is deeply connected to important Japanese philosophies. One of these is wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection. Kintsugi embraces the journey of the object, including its breakage and healing. Mushin means no mind, free from attachment. It teaches us to accept change. Kintsugi highlights the repair with gold. Mono no aware is a sensitivity to the transience of things. Kintsugi honors the journey of ceramics. The golden repair is a compassionate response. These philosophies form the soul of kintsugi. They teach us to find value in what is often overlooked. A kintsugi piece becomes a teacher. It shows us the beauty of imperfection and resilience. Even in brokenness, there is profound beauty. The magic of kintsugi lies in its meticulous process and special materials. The most important material is lacquer, derived from the sap of the urushi tree. To create the golden lines, pure urushi is often mixed with powdered gold. The process of kintsugi repair is slow and mindful, requiring great patience and precision. First, the broken pieces are carefully cleaned and pieced back together. A special mixture of urushi and wheat flour might be used as an adhesive. Each layer must dry completely before the next is applied, making it a meditative practice. Once the pieces are joined and the cracks are filled, the mended pottery needs time to cure in a warm, humid environment. In our fast-paced modern world, the lessons of kintsugi feel more relevant than ever. This ancient art offers a powerful way to think about loss, healing, and improvement. When something is broken, our first instinct might be to discard it or hide the damage. Kintsugi teaches us a different way, showing that repair can be an act of creation. A kintsugi object becomes a testament to both its crisis and its cure. Contemporary artists around the world have found inspiration in kintsugi's profound message. They're using its principles in exciting new ways, creating works that echo the kintsugi lines. The wisdom of kintsugi can also shine a light on our own lives. We all experience moments of feeling broken or flawed. Kintsugi encourages us to see these parts of ourselves not as weaknesses, but as integral parts of our unique story. Embracing our imperfections can be a pathway to greater self-acceptance and inner peace. Kintsugi teaches us that true beauty often lies in our unique history, including the parts that were once broken. By acknowledging and celebrating our scars, we can find a new kind of wholeness and recognize the radiant strength that comes from within.